my video quality is gonna be like A1 after this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys. If you can tell by the title, you know what's up. I finally got my ring light. Well, this has been like long overdue. So here it is. In this video I am going to unbox the ring light for you guys, tell you what all came with it, and show you how bomb the lighting is gonna be. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Keep watching, guys. This was right on top, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the tripod. Yeah, so this is the tripod. I haven't seen any instructions, so hopefully I can figure out how to put this thing together. So all these little parts right here are all adjustable, so I can make this thing really tall. Because it came with this other thing, I'm assuming that's what the ring light goes on top of. So I'm gonna put this one in here. It actually came in this really nice, sturdy, like carrying case essentially. So if I want to take this on the go, I can definitely do that. Right. Oh, instructions. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to do it without the instructions, but if I need it, then I have it and I'll grab it. So it's really like, it has a lot of cushion in here, so it's gonna keep it safe. This was on top of the light. Here we have our white filters and our orange filters. This thing, which is gonna be really, it's gonna come in handy, because this is where you can screw your camera onto and it slides right in. It's like, okay, so this is the ring light. It only came with the US plug, but that's fine with me because I live in the US, so I wouldn't need anything else. And I know there were two different types of lighting. Like, I got the tube lighting, and there's also like the one that has the little LCD dots. I don't know what's the difference between the both, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna both work the same. So let's screw this on. This is super tall, so this is how tall it's gonna be. Okay. Okay, so it's plugged in. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the video before, but this is a dimmable light, so we can see how high it's gonna get, like how bright it's gonna get, and how dim it's gonna get as well. So this is just like my natural lighting. I close my window and I actually just have a lamp on, and I'm gonna turn the ring light on so we can see how bright it'll get. This is the moment that you and I have been waiting for. Like, I'm so excited. And let's do this. On. Oh my god. This light is crazy. Okay, so this is it at its brightest setting. Right here, I'm like blind. I can't even see anything. I can't see you guys. Can't see myself in my mirror. It is like my eyes are burning at this point. Okay, let's try to dim it down. And this is the light at its dimmest setting, which is still so bright. I'm gonna set up my camera using the little mount right now, and then I'm gonna get back on the camera and show you guys the difference. So I actually have the ring light right now on the lowest setting, and I'm using the orange filters. I feel like this is the perfect lighting. Like, I don't even need to turn it up all the way, but let me show you guys what it looks like if I do that. So this is what it looks like if I turn it up all the way, and I literally cannot see. Like my eyes are burning right now. But alright, so I didn't even tell you guys where I got this light from. I bought my ring light from Amazon, and I'm definitely gonna link all the information about this ring light in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super happy, like ecstatic. My video quality is gonna go from 0 to 100. Like, it's about to be lit on this channel. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. And I promise you guys it's gonna be more often. And I will see you guys in my next video.